Solar energy just got smarter. Imagine clean energy for your home, school, or business that is easy, efficient, smart, and beautiful. That's SmartFlower, the fully integrated solar system inspired by nature that tracks the sun throughout the day, producing clean, renewable energy. Each morning, SmartFlower automatically unfolds when the sun rises and follows it at the perfect angle throughout the day. In the evening, as the sun sets, SmartFlower furls its panels and stows away for the night. But what makes SmartFlower so smart? SmartFlower generates up to 40% more energy output thanks to its innovative smart features. Smart Use, a fully integrated solar solution with simple installation. Smart Tracking, dual-axis tracking from sunrise to sunset. Smart Cleaning, solar modules clean themselves when opening and closing, up to 5% more efficient as a result. Smart Cooling, rear ventilated modules, up to 10% more efficient as a result. Smart Safety automatically folds into a secure position until weather improves to prevent system damage. Smart Mobility, as easy to move as to install, so you can take it anywhere. SmartFlower has a wide range of applications from tourism to hospitality, agriculture, schools, government, and homes.